Okay, have a good day, class. Good morning. So, let us continue what we had discussed yesterday or last week. So, nung nakaraan, tinakil natin yung about sa pag-compute ng Fibonacci sequence. So, gumamit na tayo doon ng formula. Okay, so yung formula natin doon, class, is first, let us know ano ba yung Fibonacci sequence na yan? Ano ba yung definition yan? So, yung Fibonacci sequence daw is a series of numbers which or where a number is the addition of the last two numbers starting with 0 and 1. So, yun yung ibig sabihin daw ng ating Fibonacci sequence. So, yung formula natin, we can rewrite the rule. The rule is x sub n is equals to x sub n minus 1 plus x sub n minus 2. So, ito yung ating magiging formula or rule sa ating Fibonacci. So, where x sub n is term number n. X sub n minus 1 is the previous term n minus 1. X sub n minus 2 is the term before that n minus 2. So, lagi yung tandaan, using the Fibonacci sequence, our rule is x sub n equals x sub n minus 1 plus x sub n minus 2. So, para mas maintindihan ninyo, I have here some example. First, the terms are numbered from 0 onward like this. So, yung n natin, class, ito yung ating 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so and so on. And yung ating x sub n is 0, 1, 1, and 3, 5, 8, 13, and so on. So, term number 6 is called x sub n. Ito yung ating number 6. So, ang ating x sub n plus is x sub n, this one x sub n, this x sub n is x sub 6. So, ito yung ating x sub 6, which is equals to 8. Example, let us get the 8th term using the formula. Okay? So, example, the 8th term is the 7th term plus the 6th term. So, halimbawa, hindi pa natin alam kung ano yung value hindi natin alam yung value ni 8th term, which is 21, di ba? So, halimbawa, hindi natin alam yan. So, we have the formula x sub n is equals to x sub n plus x sub, again. So, yung x sub n natin is equals to x sub 8 equals x sub n minus 1. So, yung ating n is equals to 8. So, 8 minus 1 is equals to 7 plus x sub n minus 2. 8 minus 2 is equals to 6. So, kung i-add natin yun, di ba ito yung x sub 7 natin? X sub 7 natin is equals to 13 and x sub 6 natin is 8. So, we have value x, yung 8th term natin, yung ika-8th term is 21. So, yun yung sinasabi, class, na number is the addition of the last two numbers. So, halimbawa nga, kinuha natin is 8. Yung last two number niya, yung previous number niya is the 6 and 7. So, we will get the 8 plus 13 is equals to 21. Naintindihan nyo? Okay, next. Next example. Term 9 is calculated like this. So, halimbawa, find the 9th term of the sequence. May formula tayo na x sub n equals x sub n minus 1 plus x sub n minus 2, where n is equals to 9. So, n minus 1, 9 minus 1 is equals to 8, 9 minus 2 is equals to 7. So, we have 21 plus 13 is equals to 34. So, ganun lang kadali yung ating Fibonacci formula. Addition, in addition. Okay, so we have the golden ratio. So, this symbol is, siya ay, itong symbol natin na to class, itong symbol na to is the golden ratio, which is value of 1.618 or 1.62. Kapag niround up natin, 1.62. And this rectangle is, this is the golden rectangle. So, ibig sabihin kapag the golden ratio, kapag ni-ratio natin, 1 is to 2, so 2 over 1, di ba? Is equals to 2. Okay? So, and here is a surprise when we take any two successive, one after the other. Fibonacci numbers, their ratio is very close to the golden ratio. So, sabi ko kanina, this is the symbol for the golden ratio, which is approximately equal to 1.6. Approximately, ibig sabihin, malapit. Malapit sa 1.6 or equals 1.6. In fact, the bigger the pair of Fibonacci numbers, the closer the approximation. So, kapag bigger number yung pair natin, siya ay mas malapit dun sa approximate natin na 1.6. Next, so let us try a few examples. So, we have the value of A here. A is 2358 and the value of B is 3586. So, sa golden ratio natin, i-divide natin si B of, itong formula ng golden ratio natin, B over A. So, if the value of B is 3 and the value of 2 is, value of A is 2, we will use the formula B over A is equals to 1.5. 5 over 3 is equals to 1.6. 8 over 5 is 1.6, 13 over 8 is 1.6, and so on. So, ganun din yung big number. So, 233 divided by 1.1, 144 is equals to 1.6. 377 is 377 divided by 233 is equals to 1.6. So, as you can see here, class, this side, the value is not, hindi siya lahat 1.6, pero si 1.5 is approximately 1.6. Okay? So, we don't have to start with 2 and 3. So, dito, kung nag-start tayo is in 1, 2, 3, so, pwede tayo hindi mag-start sa 1, 2, 3. Here, I randomly choose 192 and 16 and get the sequence 192, 16, 208, 224, 432, 656, 1088, 1088, 1744, 2832, 4576, and so on. So, let us get the golden ratio of 192 and 16. So, yung B natin is 16 and A natin is 192. We will have get a 0.08. Okay? And 1.6, dito here is 208 divided A, which is 16. We have 13. And here, kahit malaki siya, mapupunta pa rin tayo dun sa value na 1.6 or 1.618 or 1.62. Kasi tingnan ito, 19,392 divided by 11,984, nagkaroon din siya pa rin ng value na 1.61. So, yung golden ratio natin is ang value ng golden ratio natin is 1.618. Okay, class? So, using the golden ratio to calculate Fibonacci numbers. So, to calculate Fibonacci number, gagamit daw tayo ng golden ratio. So, using golden ratio, ito yung formula kung paano natin i-calculate yung Fibonacci numbers by using the golden ratio. So, and even more surprising is that we can calculate any Fibonacci number using the golden ratio. So, itong x-sub natin, ito yung magiging formula natin dito, class. So, kapag sa exam ninyo, calculate the Fibonacci numbers using the golden ratio, ito yung gagamitin nating formula. Ano, class? So, x sub n is equals to golden ratio raised to n minus 1 minus golden ratio raised to n divided by square root of 5. So, the answer comes out as a whole number, exactly to the addition of previous two terms. So, kung ito yung magiging formula na ninyo, class, ang magiging sagot ninyo is whole number. So, kung hindi whole number yung sagot ninyo, ibig sabihin mali yung pag-compute ninyo ng mga numbers. Ano? So, ibig sabihin, class, using the golden ratio, to calculate, mako-compute mo yung Fibonacci numbers, ay ang magiging value is whole number. Example. So, di ba, yung value ng Fibonacci natin, ng golden rule natin is 1, ang golden ratio natin, value is 1.6. So, halimbawa ay x sub 6, find the, so, kung halimbawa, ang tanong ko is, find the 6th term using golden ratio to, find the 6th term using the golden ratio. Okay. Find the 6th term using the golden ratio is equals to yung formula natin na golden ratio raised to n, where n is equals to 6 minus 1 minus 1.61 raised to 6, which is yung n natin. Ito class yung 1.6 natin, ulitin ko. Itong 1.6 natin, ito yung value ng ating golden ratio. Then, i-divide natin divided by square root of 5, so we have, sa calculator ko, class, kapag kinumpute ko to, ang magiging sagot niya is 8.0033. A more accurate calculation would be closer to 8. So, siya ay, pwede na natin sabihin na 8. Okay? So, terms below 0 naman. Paano naman kung yung ating mga terms is below 0? So, the sequence work below 0. Pag below 0 yung ating n, kung yung x sub n natin is negative, yun yung below 0, negative. So, ang magiging formula natin dyan, class, is ito, x. Formula natin ang formula natin dito is x sub negative n is equals to negative 1 raised to n plus 1 x sub n. So, which says that term negative n is equals to negative 1 raised to n plus 1 times term n and the value of negative 1 plus raised to n plus 1 neatly makes the correct. Positive 1, negative 1, positive 1, negative 1. That is the pattern. Okay, naiintindihan niyo, class? So, kung may tanong kayo dito, pwede kayong mag-PM sa akin, mag-chat lang kayo sa GC para maliwanagan kayo dun sa mga tanong ninyo. Okay?